How to buy plane tickets. Buying plane tickets can be a smooth process when done correctly, helping you find the best deals and most convenient flights. Here's a structured guide to buying plane tickets efficiently. Decide your travel details. Determine your travel dates, destination, and budget. Be flexible with dates if possible, as flying on certain days or times can be cheaper. Choose where to buy plane tickets. You can buy tickets directly from airline websites, travel agencies, or online travel platforms. Compare prices across multiple sources to find the best deal. Search for flights early. Start searching for flights well in advance. Prices often rise as the departure date nears, especially for popular routes and peak travel seasons. Compare prices and options. Use flight comparison tools to compare ticket prices across airlines. Look at flight times, layovers, baggage policies, and cancellation fees to make an informed choice. Check for discounts and promotions. Look for promotions, airline sales, and discount codes. Many airlines offer cheaper fares for booking directly through their website or mobile app. Select the right ticket type. Choose between economy, premium economy, business, or first class based on your needs and budget. Pay attention to fare conditions such as refundability and baggage allowance. Secure payment methods. Use secure payment options such as credit cards with travel benefits or insurance. Ensure the booking site is legitimate before entering payment details. Add extras and insurance. Consider adding travel insurance, baggage options, and seat selections during the booking process. Some airlines offer cheaper rates for extras when booked in advance. Confirm and save your ticket. After purchasing, confirm your booking details and save your e-ticket. Check your email for confirmation and add the flight details to your calendar or travel app. Buying plane tickets involves planning, comparing prices, and securing your booking early. With the right approach, you can find affordable flights, save money, and ensure a smooth travel experience.